Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy BNB on Coinbase. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Once it is open, tap your profile icon at the bottom of the screen and a new page will open up. Next, tap the buy icon to proceed. In the search bar, type BNB and select it from the list. As I don't have any BNB in my wallet, I will be selecting Ethereum. But note that the process remains same irrespective of the coin selected. Then, choose your preferred payment method. You will see options like credit card, debit card, and other local payment methods. Now you can choose any one of the available options. After selecting your payment method, enter the amount of BNB you want to buy. Then review your order to ensure all details are correct and confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. So that's basically how you can buy BNB on Coinbase. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.